The state government on Friday informed that the retaining wall of the PA Stadium collapsed due to blockage in the drainage system. Informing this after a review meeting, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said that according to preliminary reports, the drainage system that is there in the stadium, which was meant to allow water to flow out, was blocked. During the review meeting, the Chief Minister received a report prepared by engineers and contractors following a preliminary study on the collapse.
The retaining wall in the preliminary report that has been given to us, the specifications are as per the drawings and the entire details that have been put in, and the retaining wall has been made as per the specifications. So there is nothing wrong in the construction part. All the quality measures and all the specifications have been adhered to. And as I said, it is only because of the drainage and the leakage of the water that part was affected. But necessary measures have been taken to ensure that we stop any kind of further damage in that area.